If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making CHUDA BHAJA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take some fennel seeds, cloves, black cardamom and black pepper in a blender and make a powder of it, from which we need about a teaspoon of that. Then 2 bay leaves, then 1 cup of rice flakes or chuda, then quarter cup of coconut cut in wedges, a quarter teaspoon of asafoetida or hing, about 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee, a quarter teaspoon of carom seeds or ajwain, and about quarter teaspoon of salt. Now take a pan and place it on high flame. Then first add all the ghee, followed by the bay leaves and coconut, and roast these for roughly about a minute. Then to the pan add the hing, ajwain, the powder, and all the rice flakes. Now we need to roast these until all the rice flakes are cooked and turns golden in color. Then switch off the flame and it's done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad CHUDA BHAJA. So do try this at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.